Tax preparers. I have good news and I have not so good news. The things that you guys think are really important to the IRS and the things that you think will stop you from having to pay certain taxes or help you to get refunds are not really things at all. In fact, too many of you are missing the things that really separate your personal and your business. And while you never say it until, you're fortunate enough to work with someone else or you're strong enough to work with someone else, the things that you don't know are really costing you a lot. If you don't understand that while write-offs are good, they are not beneficial when you're trying to buy a house or get a loan, then you're writing things off to get a refund in the moment, and then later on you're stuck and not able to do anything, and you're having to wait for another tax year. Most of you do not have bookkeeping, so you don't have any financials to show, so you'll pull bank statements, and no lender is going to go through those bank statements for you. That's why they want you to have a bookkeeper. When you go to get a loan and they start asking for documents and you're unable to produce those documents, whether you know it or not, you're telling them the way that you do business. They understand whether you do business right, whether you do it by the fly. They get all of that because you don't have the paperwork together. Whenever you don't have that paperwork together, you're not fooling anybody. You're fooling yourself. And the worst part is that you don't need to be fooled. You need to understand what you're making from month to month. You need to understand how much you're spending out from month to month, whether or not you are generating a profit, how much of a profit you are generating, and where you can do better and where you can improve. If you can't do any of those things, then you're really selling your business short and you're costing your business a lot of money. A lot of the things that you think are important, that you think impress, are really not impressing or fooling the IRS. They are not impressing investors. They will not help you to get a loan, and they are not helpful for you. You need to make sure you're informed. You need to make sure that you have accurate information and that you are operating off accurate information. Do not do what everybody else is doing and what you hear and what the craze is. Don't do what they're talking about at the beauty shop and the barber shop. Get informed. Call me. I'm taking serious clients only. Get an understanding. Make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you know how much money your business is making, because that's the only way your business will grow. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee, saying let's do business better. Bye-bye.